Hello guys, it is the Gaming Bird. Now I know what you're thinking, you've probably never heard that name before, because this is my first episode on my channel. Now my channel is dedicated to reacting to videos and to gaming. So after this video, I want you to put down in the comments below what game do you want me to play next, because I will make a new video every week. So, yeah, my schedule is messed up right now, I know guys, but it will get better eventually. So, today I'm reacting to the maze or something, I don't know. Let's just start the video, guys. Okay, test your skill. Oh, so I see a little, oh, it's like a dot, okay. Okay. See, I thought that I would be playing the game and not watching someone else play the game, but there's no sound to it. So, I don't know. Okay, it's literally just a dot moving. I rather want to watch paint dry. I really would rather want to watch paint dry. So, oh, that looks a little hard, but still very simple. I mean, is this person a simpleton? What's going on? What, is he stuck? What's going on? Oh, what happened? Oh, so I guess he has to start all over. What? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so boring. So boring. I mean, this is so... It's better to, like, watch paint dry than to watch this. It really is, guys. Okay, any day now, I'm starting to get bored, and I've never... Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And I'm gonna go cry somewhere else.